Hearing aids on off. Activate the hearing aids before use for the first time. First, remove the stickers from the bottom of the hearing aids. Then, reinsert the hearing aids into the charging case. The charging case indicator light up indicate that the hearing aid is activated. The hearing aid will automatically turn on after about 10 seconds of being taken out of the charging case. You will hear. To turn off your device, insert the hearing aids back into the charging case. This will automatically power off your hearing aid and extend battery life. Thanks for watching.